The batteries are located at the top of the device on the back. Just slide the cover off and insert 2 AAA batteries and you're set to start. Next, let's look at the customizable grip. Before using, you can adjust the handle up or down by turning this wheel right or left to find a grasp that is comfortable for you. Turning it to the left will lower the handle, creating a grasp more ideal for smaller hands. Turning it to the right will raise the handle, making the grasp ideal for larger hands. Once you have a comfortable grip set, start the device by pressing the On Set button. The user number will blink, indicating which user is selected. This device can store up to 19 users. Press the up or down arrows to switch between user profiles. To create your user profile, select a number that does not have user information already entered in by pressing the On Set button. Next, the gender icon will flash. Press the up or down arrow to select male or female. Last, age will flash on the screen. Press the up or down arrow to increase or decrease the age. When you're finished setting up your profile, press Start to confirm. The default unit is pounds. Press On Set to toggle the kilograms and press On Set again to go back to pounds. Now you're ready to take a measurement. Grip the handle firmly and squeeze to take a measurement. Your results will be displayed on the screen after the measurement is complete. Once the measurement is complete, you can press the down arrow memory button to save your result. With the device off, press the down arrow memory button to view the last measurement recorded. To review your measurement in a different unit, press the On Set button to switch between pounds and kilograms. Keep in mind, the device will only store the most recent measurement.